Hey everybody, it's me Sissy back today with a Dollar Tree haul and some items from a Dollar Tree Plus. One of the stores that I go to in the next town over has become a Dollar Tree Plus, and they did have some nice items. There were I think $2, $3, and $5. I don't think they had anything over $5, but I did get a couple of items that were really nice. So when we go through the haul, when I get to something that was $5 plus, I'll let you know. Well, the first thing I got was these cute little mugs. My sister's fixing a coffee bar, and we're going to do like a faux milkshake in here. I'm going to do a DIY of it. I'm going to make her a little cake, a strawberry cake, and 2 little mugs of strawberry milkshake. So y'all be staying tuned for that. Hopefully that'll be up Wednesday. So, but I got 2 of those. And in the background, you can hear my washer going. It's kind of stormy today, and I'm trying to get the laundry done in case the power goes out. I picked up the Main Street wall creations, the little bathroom signs. I'm going to fix those for my sister. She's redoing her bathroom. So I've got those, and along with that, I picked up 3 little silver frames. I thought that would be a good match with the silver in the picture. And I got these cute little, these are Juncture. I don't know, is that a Greenbrier company? Yep, Greenbrier. The little bags that say Hugs and Kisses. I thought I would make these into little pillows. So if it works out, I'll show you a DIY of that. And I was going to do some vinyl on the back with a little dog saying. So if y'all interested in seeing how I cut the vinyl on the Cricut, leave it in the comments below, and maybe I'll try to do a video of that also. And then I picked up some craft supplies. I got some glue. I love this single-use super glue because I can never get the top back off. Though I know the trick about putting some Vaseline on it, but these are just small enough you use it and you can throw it away. And then I picked up 2 of the Crafter Square glue tape dispensers. I love those. And I got some of the Tool Bench all-purpose caulk. So I'm going to use that when we do the little milkshake things. And these are my favorite sponges, the Scrub Buddies. You get 6 in a pack. I love these. I use one about a week and then toss it out. So 6 for $1 is great. And I finally found a new llama picture. I didn't have this one. This is a llama unicorn. And one day I'm going to have to show you the wall in my office. It is all llamas. So this is one of the plus items. This was $5. It's the wooden photo frame box. I have a bunch of old jewelry that was my mom's. It's just costume jewelry, but I wanted to do like a little decoupage with the jewels on top of it. So I needed something with inset in it because I want to put some resin on top of the jewels. So I thought this would be great. It was only $5, so that's cheaper than Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And I got this cute little home sign with the sand dollar on it. I thought that was really cute. They have a lot of beautiful nautical things. I'm not real big into the nautical stuff, but I did like that. Oh, here's some more glue. I got the little bottle of super glue, and then some more of this single use. And you get 4 packs, 4 little bottles, 0.5 grams total, and then the original super glue is 2.10 ounce bottles, or 3 grams. I got that. And I'm going to make a red, white, and blue wreath, so I got a red, white, and blue tablecloths to do I love to make the wreaths out of the tablecloths because they're waterproof and you can leave them outside with no problem. And I got this cute red, white, and blue stars foam scatter. So I'm going to use those on my wreath. And I picked up the Scrub Buddies reusable gloves. These are great. Like if I use them when I'm potting in my plants and things. I hate to get the dirt under my fingernails. So, and these are good. They're waterproof, and you can use those. They're better than my gardening gloves because I always seem to get muddy water up in the gloves and it gets on my hands. And then I thought I'd try these Brillo Basics reusable gloves. They're supposed to be texture gripped, so I thought I would try those and see how those worked out for me. And I got this cute little metal sign, a metal word. It says happy. Thought that was nice. That was in the Crafter Square section. And I got a few of these little Crafter Square cutting dies. If you have like a big shot or one of those die cutting things that you manually put the dies in, this is good for that. I have one, it's called a Texture Boutique. It's not really to do die cutting, it's to do, ooh, it's storming here. This might not be, this might be a two-part video, but I'm going to see if these will go through my Texture Boutique and if they'll actually cut. So maybe I'll do a demo of that and we can see. Uh-oh, the lights went out, but they came. Woo! Anyway, we're going to hurry and finish this. I picked up some Himalayan sea salt. I was out of salt, so I got that. And some flowers. I got these cute Queen Anne's lace purple flowers. And they had this Olive Garden signature Italian dress in 3 single-serve cups, so I picked that up. And then I got some hair bows for my little munchkin. I think I got more than, here we go. I got this cute little 3-pack here of the pink, purple, and white, and then another little pack. So I keep trying to put bows in her little hair, and she keeps pulling them out and eating them. So, and I got a lemon squeezer. And now the big thing that I got, what, did I get anything else? Let me see. I got a bubble face mask. This is Korean Beauty, so I love the little face mask, so I got that. But the biggest thing that I got and that I really like the most, I'm going to try to get it in the shot, is this huge sign, which I couldn't put things together and make this, but it is huge. I'm all the way back here. This was $5. It was part of the Dollar Tree Plus, and it's horizontal sign, and let's see, I'm 5 feet tall, so this is like 4 feet, so 48 inches. And they had two. This one says practice kindness, and then I got one that says think positive. And I'm going to redo these. My sister's making a coffee bar. No, I'm making a coffee bar, so I'm going to put some kind of coffee saying on it. And she all the time telling me she's the queen of her castle, so I'm going to make a sign to go over her bed that says the queen sleeps here. So, but anyway, y'all, that is my quick Dollar Tree haul. I was going to show you some Goodwill stuff, but I'm going to cut it short because it's storming really bad here. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.